welcome to the best vegan cooking show on YouTube. Itadakimasu. My name's Kasa, and this is Itadakimasu. Itadakimasu is the Japanese equivalent of the French Bon Appetit. And it essentially means respect and thanking everybody and everything that went into the making of a nice meal. So here, we bring guests in for every episode. They come in and I show them how to make a delicious vegan meal with me right here in the test kitchen. And hopefully you guys at home, because I want to show everybody that it's really not that hard and we can make some delicious vegan food. So join me here in the test kitchen for some vegan recipes. But you know me, I don't like being alone in the test kitchen, so let's get ourselves a guest.